Among 28 analysts covering Activision Blizzard, NASDAQ ATVI, 23 have buy rating, 0 sell and 5 hold. Therefore 82% are positive. Activision Blizzard has $82 highest and $29.51 lowest target. $60.28 seconds average target is minus 3.24% below current $62.3 stock price. Activision Blizzard had 114 analyst reports since July 28, 2015 according to SRatingsIntel. The company was downgraded on Monday, November 2 by Bank of America. Cowen Co maintained the stock with buy rating in Friday, August 4 report. The stock has buy rating by Piper Jaffray on Friday, August 4. The firm earned hold rating on Thursday, September 7 by BMO Capital Markets. The firm has outperform rating by Wedbush given on Friday, August 5. The firm has buy rating by Argus Research given on Wednesday, August 16. The stock of Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, earned buy rating by M Partners on Friday, October 23. The company was maintained on Friday, February 10 by Stifel Nicolaus. The firm has buy rating by BEAMZ given on Wednesday, August 5. BMO Capital Markets maintained Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, on Friday, August 4 with hold rating. BEAMZ Interactive, BZIC, had an increase of 10% in short interest. BZIC's SI was 1,100 shares in November as released by FINRA. It's up 10% from 1,000 shares previously. It closed at $0.0087. Lastly, it is down 0.00% since November 8, 2016 and is dotted as underperformed by 16.70% the S&P 500. Since May 16, 2017, it had 0 insider purchases and 1 sale for $1.10 million activity. $1.10 million worth of Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, was sold by BZIC Ricardo. Activision Blizzard Incorporated is a developer and publisher of interactive entertainment content and services. The company has market cap of $46.09 billion. The firm develops and distributes content and services across various gaming platforms, including video game consoles, personal computers and mobile devices. It has a 41.83 P/E ratio. The company's divisions include Activision Publishing Incorporated, Activision, Blizzard Entertainment Incorporated, Blizzard, King Digital Entertainment, King, and other. Investors' sentiment increased to 1.15 in Q2 2017. It's up 0.24 from 0.91 in 2017 Q1. It increased as 53 investors sold Activision Blizzard Incorporated shares, while 215 reduced holdings. 98 funds opened positions, while 210 raised stakes. 639.89 million shares, or 1.59% less from 650.21 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. 27,177 are held by Regions Corporation. Axiom Limited has stated it has 0.77% of its portfolio in Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI. Teachers Retirement Systems of the State of Kentucky invested in 0.14% or 200,471 shares. Holderness Inves reported 5,302 shares stake. Duquesne Family Office Limited liability holds 2.2% or 714,100 shares in its portfolio. Wright Investors Incorporated owns 65,400 shares for 1.42% of their portfolio. Ardsley Advisory PRNS holds 7,000 shares. Capital One National Association holds 0.24% in Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, or 57,047 shares. Commerce Bank of Janjasel ShiftFi holds 99,675 shares. CenturyLink Invem and GMT.com reported 14,887 shares. Howe and Russelling invested in 0% or 97 shares. Security National invested 0.03% in Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI. Sloan Robinson Limited Liability Partnership holds 2.43% or 66,000 shares. Exane Derivatives holds 657 shares. National Bank NAMO holds 0.04% in Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, or 20,559 shares. About 860,341 shares traded. Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, has risen 47.83% since November 8, 2016 and is uptrending. It is outperformed by 31.13% the S&P 500. Activision Blizzard Incorporated received news and ratings via email. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings with our daily email newsletter.